We are on to the next step. We have checked piston protrusion and we have our beautiful cylinder head here. It just freshly machined. There are a couple spots that we wanted to take a look at, and in the end we decided just to go ahead and have it decked. This guy is freshly cleaned up. We have used a good amount of our brake cleaner and some compressed air to make sure that it is gorgeously set, and we'll do that one more time. What we want to show you right now is just the prep that we have going on. So this is the cylinder side head of it. Let me try that again. Cylinder head side of it, and we've gone through, and before I washed this side of it, I washed the other side. So it's all clean on our valves, or on the spring side of things. So we've got that all cleaned up, blew that off with compressed air, and since we want to make sure the mating surface is spotlessly clean, I did that one last. So up here on the motor, you can see that we re-greased it the other day when we were sitting down. After we did piston protrusion, everything was all cleaned up. This surface has already been checked, and they did have to skim it a little bit. I think we took about 0.03 off of it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through and we're going to re-clean up all of this surface so that we're ready for the head gasket. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pause there, and then we'll come back once it's all cleaned up, since I need both hands to make sure it's spotless.